Welcome to the Datascope Report tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. A Datascope report summarizes sampling information by protocol, event, and site. It is a great tool to help VGS users with quality control of their data.
Before generating a Datascope report, a site or folder must be selected. On the main toolbar, click Reports, General, then select Datascope. The Reports option window will open. There is the option to include sites with no data if you choose to. If you always want to include sites with no data when you generate the report, you can save as default to keep this option. To generate the report, select Run Report. The Report Preview window will open. The Datascope report is organized by database hierarchical structure. The folder path is listed in a heading, and the site names are listed in bold under the heading. Under the site, the report lists the date for each event, the protocol used, the number of transects for each protocol, and the sample range for each transect.
At the site level, you can also access the Datascope report from the Reports menu and the Site window by clicking Reports, Site, then Datascope.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.